How to add phone number to your account on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add phone number easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Freelancer. As you can see here, this is the home page of the website. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click here in the top and you will find many options. Click on settings and go to account. Click here on trust and verification and you will find the phone number right here. Click on add phone number and you will be able to add the country that you want, and then enter your phone number from here and click on send verification code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.